it's Suzanne. I'm here to give you a quick refresher on how to make the Quietfire lanterns. And I've already cut this one out. It's a Halloween one, and it's super simple because there's no onlays, or layers to add. So this is all cut out, and what I've done is folded up all the perforated score lines. And if you like solid, if you're a Cricut person and you like solid lines, then if you go to Shop Lori Whitlock, this will be on her site with the solid score lines, as well as the perforated, so you can have either or both. Anyways, I just wanted to show you how to do a quick assembly of this. And now that I've got it all folded up, I'm going to flip it over. And I'm going to take some good strong tape and put it on the tab that holds the box together, the lantern. Give it a little push down with the bone folder. Helps it release better. Helps the release paper release better. And I'm just going to make this nice and neat for you guys. And now, before I put that together, what I want to do is put in my vellum layers. So I'm just using glue dots, and I just put them in at the corner, and that works fine. And then just go ahead and repeat that. And then once you've got them all on there, you can flip it over, and that's how it's going to look. Now, if I've done my job right, so let me burnish that down a bit more. If I've done my job right, you can put that down, and this should meet perfectly. Well, look at that. Isn't that special? There we go. And that's what it's going to look like. Now, we just have to finish the bottom here. So let's just fold these little bits out. Now, what we need to do is right here, we need to add some adhesive there. So I'm just going to use this Tombow Mono adhesive. You can use glue if you want. I find this is a lot faster and safer. In case I make a mistake, I can peel it off. And then you're just going to lay that glued piece across that tab, the one next to it. And if you want to make sure it's secured, you can fold that right inside like that. This is what's going to help make it fold flat. So, and then you're going to do the same thing with the other side. So you just want it on that corner bit there, okay? Going to close that up, put that over and line it at the edge of the box. And then you're going to push down, and we're just going to push that right round. And see, it'll lie flat when it's finished. But in the meantime, we want it to fold up. So it's going to come and pop, kind of lock. And then we're going to open up the top. And that's it. It's done. Now, if you don't like this little ghosty sticking out a bit, you can take a glue dot and just on your fingertip, Stick it under there. And then push it down onto the vellum, and it won't pop out anymore. I think I'll do that on both. And then I don't have to worry about the cranky ghost. Oh yeah, it wants to stick to my finger more than it wants to stick to the cardstock. So you can take the little glue dot and do this, and then it'll want to stick in the right place. And there you have it. Oh, crank a ghost. And I made a whole variety of them, so you can have cranky ghosts and lovey-dovey ghosts and a few other ghosts. There's a whole collection of them. So I hope that helps you make your lanterns, and you're good to go. Have fun. Thanks for watching. See you soon.